Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 3. Dear students, our today's topic is, look here, kinds of nouns. Okay, this is our lesson number 1 and our topic name is what? Kinds of nouns. Lesson number 1. So dear students, now I am going to discuss about this topic. Please follow the board. Okay, first look here, kinds of nouns. At first we have to know that what is the definition of noun. Okay, a noun is the name of a person, place, things or animals. Okay dear students, I am going to say this once again. A noun is the name of a person, place, things or animals. A noun is the name of a person, place, things or animals. Okay, that means naming words are called noun. Okay, now I am going to give you some examples so that you can understand about this topic properly. Okay, so for example, look here, Rahim, Kamal, Tiger, Dhaka or any kinds of name like Chittagong or any kinds of animals name like zebra, giraffe, any kinds of place name, any kinds of particular person's name. Okay, so all of these naming words we can call what? Noun. We can call them noun. Okay, dear students, from your book, if you follow, you can find there that about kinds of noun or classification of noun. We know that there are 5 parts. Okay, and what are they? They are number 1, proper noun, number 2, common noun, number 3, collective noun, number 4, material noun, and number 5, abstract noun. Okay dear students, I am going to say this once again about kinds of noun and classification of nouns. We can say there are five types of nouns, and what are they? They are number 1, proper noun, number 2, common noun, number 3, collective noun, number 4, material noun, and then number 5, what can you say? Yes, all of us we know that number 5 noun is what? Abstract noun. Okay, dear students, from our book we will discuss about these two types of nouns. What are they? Number 1, proper noun, and number 2, common noun. Okay dear students, we will discuss or we will learn from our book these 2 types of nouns from our first chapter. Okay, dear students, so here we have found about noun that a noun is the name of a person, place, things or animals. Okay, we have found already some examples too. Okay, then we will learn about its classification, and number 1 and number 2 we are now going to learn about these 2 types of nouns. Okay, dear students, about proper noun. About proper noun, we can say a proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. Clear? I am going to repeat this once again. A proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. And of course, always keep in your mind that it begins with capital letter. It begins with a capital letter, this proper noun. Now I am going to give you some examples so that you can understand this properly. For example, if I give an example about proper noun, I can say that like Bangladesh. Okay, so here Bangladesh is a particular place name. Okay, in Bangladesh a particular country's name. Okay, in Bangladesh here we have found some places too, like Bonasri, like Khilgaon, like Rampura. Okay, all of these are all of these are indicates a particular place's name. Okay, particular place name. So for this reason, all of these example are the proper noun. So we can write here about the example of proper noun. We can write here, if I going to write a particular place name, we can write here Rampura. Okay, R-A-M-P-U-R-A, Rampura. Okay, so this is a particular place name. About proper noun, we have found that a proper noun is the name of a particular person too. So if I write here any kind of name, like I have written here Lima. Okay, so here I have found that this name word Lima is also a particular person name. For this reason, this is the example of a proper noun. Okay, because we have learned from the definition of proper noun that a proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. And of course, we have already learned that it starts with a capital letter. Like here Rampura, this R start with a capital letter R, and this naming words Lima, this here the word start with a capital letter L. So like this way we can say that all naming the word, a proper noun is the name of a particular person, animal, place or thing. Animal name here we can write here, for an example we can write here like tiger. Okay, if I write here tiger, for example T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, as a proper noun. If I write here tiger, so it also the example of a proper noun. Okay, dear students, now I am going to show some example from common noun. Okay, for common noun we can write here. For common noun we can write here. At first we have to know what is the definition of common noun. Okay, dear students, for common noun we can say that a common noun is the name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing. So what have I said? A common noun is the name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing. For example, if I going to show you some example, we can write here. I am going to give here common noun example, boy. Okay, this boy is the name of a person. Okay, is the name of a person, an animal or place. Now I am going to show you an animal's name. Okay, for example, dog. Okay, dear students, like this way you have identified the common noun here. Okay, so common noun here we have learned that a common noun is the name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing. So dear students, here we have learned here about proper noun. These example, what are the proper noun? Rampura, Lima, tiger, that means particular person, animal or place's name. Okay, all of these particular things names are what? Proper noun. And common noun means what? This noun is the name of a person, an animal or place. Okay, but proper noun, this noun is the name of a particular person. Okay, this proper noun, it indicates the name of a particular person. Okay, particular person, animal, place or things name. So dear students, you have to study about these two topics. Okay, proper noun and common noun. At first you have to learn what is the definition of noun, then you can study at your home about proper noun and common noun. So dear students, I think you have understood our today's topic. We will learn more elaborately in our next class, of course, and of course you have to study at your home properly, and of course abide by your parents. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.